Hi, this is Teacher Medial once again of TheQs. Now I will be teaching young children to learn how to read. With me are my grade 2 pupils and they will be reading with you this day. Let's start. Start from the very basic. Teach them the sound of each letter. Again, the sound of each letter, not the name of the letter. Surely, they will really learn how to read. Our topic is about medial sound A. What is the sound of this letter? A. Again, A. A. What is the sound of this first letter? Again. How about this medial sound? How about this one? Very good. So now let's connect the sound. Plus, what's this? You connect. This is ma. Very good. How about this letter? What's the sound? Again, what's this? Ma. Very good. Mat. So you connect all. Mat. Very good. What is the sound of this first letter? Very good. How about the medial? This is not but this is Very good. How about this one? Good. So let us connect now. What's this again? You connect now. Sa. Very good. How about this one? You connect sa. So what is this word? Sat. What is the sound of this letter? Okay. How about the second letter? How about the third letter? Again, what's this? This one? This one? So now we will connect. What's this again? This one? So we will connect. This is fa. Very good. How about this? So we will connect now. Fat. Fa. Fat. So this is fat. So we will read these three words. What is this? Mat. This one? Sat. This one? Fat. What is the sound of this letter? That is not T, but that is T. Very good. What is this? How about this? How about this? Very good. We will connect now. You connect. Ta. Very good. How about this? This is not X in the sound, but X. Very good. Ta plus X. Tax. Tax. Very good. What is the sound? Everybody. Okay. Plus A. What's this? This one. Again. We will connect now the sound. Go. Ra. Very good. We will connect. Rat. Rat. This word is a rat. Very good. Now we will go to the next word. What is the sound of this letter? This is not V, but it's like vibration. Very good. So this is this one. Everybody. This one. Okay, so what's this again? You connect. So this is va. How about this? Let's connect. Va. So this is vat. Let's read. Go. Tax, rat, vat. What is the sound of this letter? No, this is not G. The sound of this letter is not G. Like that. Again, the sound is not G or J. We are talking about sound. So the sound is again. This one. This is not This is Everybody. Let's connect. Ja. Very good. What's this too? Ja. You connect now. Jam. Very good. So this is jam. The sound of this letter is g. It's like here. G. Not ga, not go, not ge. G. Okay. G. This one. What is the sound of this letter? Not pa, not po. It's like, okay. G. This one. We will connect now. This one. G. You connect. Ga. Very good. How about this? Ga. Again, what is this? Ga. You connect. You connect. Ka. Ka. You connect now. Come. Very good. Come. How about this? What is the sound? Not ki, not ka. Everybody. How about this? Everybody. R, K, R. So we will connect now. What is the sound? K. You connect. Ka. Very good. Ka, R. You connect now. Car. Very good. What is the sound of this letter? This is not ba nor bo. The sound of this letter is okay, what is this? Not ba, not bu. Like you close your mouth and do this. Okay, so everybody. Go. You connect this. So this is ba. Okay, what's this? Ba. This one. You connect. Bar. What is the sound of this? Okay? Like that. So this one. This. This. Again. You connect. Ba. Ba. So this is bum. How about this? What's the sound of this letter? This letter is not D. Da. The sound of this letter is like you put your tongue here, like someone is punching to your stomach, but then you put your tongue inside like that. So the sound of this is and so you connect. This is da. So this is da. You read now. Dar. This is not but okay. Everybody. You connect these two. This is da. You connect now. Da. So dam. Let's read now. Bum. Dar. Dam. So that is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something from Teacher Maria.